Hey guys, welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Today I'll be cooking cowfoot with butterbean. Let's get right into it. Right, this cowfoot already been prepared, it's already been seasoned. But what I did was washed it with vinegar and a bit of lime. I've seasoned it. I'll list all the ingredients that I've used in the description. And left it overnight to marinate. These are my ingredients I'm going to use in my cowfoot today. Now I've got a few sprigs of thyme, 2 cloves of garlic here, 2 halves of red and green bell pepper, there, a medium tomato, the seeds, a dried pimento seed, 2 spring onions, half of scotch bonnet pepper, and a medium to large white onion. I'll list the other ingredients in my description box so you'll be able to see everything that I've used in this dish. I've added olive oil to the pot, so now I'm gonna put these So this is how I do it. I normally clear it off a bit before moving to the next step. I've turned them. So now I've chopped up all my seasonings. So these are the tomato, onion, bell pepper, and garlic over there. Garlic, spring onion, and also my thyme. So all this now I'm gonna add it. So now I've added all the seasoning that I've chopped up. So this has the tomato, onion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, all added now. So I'm gonna add some water to this. Once the all water to this, I'm just allowing the seasoning to be softened a bit. I've just stirred it around to check the seasoning. You have to make sure they're softened. I'm now going to add water to it for 2.5 hours. I'm going to also transfer this to my slow cooker. And if you haven't got a slow cooker, you can put it in your oven and for 2 hours. And one of them pirate dish or, oven dish. And you can also leave it on your stove top, cook it slowly, whichever method you choose. I've now added water to it, and this I am going to allow to cook. I'm going to simmer it a bit on my stove and then transfer it to my slow cooker and leave it there for about 2 to 2.5 hours to cook. It's now boiling. See, I bring it to boil at the moment, so I'm going to transfer it to my slow cooker. Butterbean. The butterbean has now been added, so I'm gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes. Okay. So these are already pre-cooked, so just another 10 minutes and then I can turn it off. Well, this is the finishing of it, guys. So it's done now. See, it's almost falling off the bone. That's it. It's done. Finish. Finished dish, guys. Would you have this for your dinner? Did you enjoy the video? Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. There you have it, cowfoot with long grain black rice, fried plantain, and mixed vegetables. Thank you for watching.